Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable cron jobs running too often on your server step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or your command line interface. Enter your server's IP address and connect. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the cron job configuration by typing cron tab E. This command opens the user's cron tab file for editing. Look for the specific cron job that you want to disable. Identify the job that is running too often. You can spot it by checking the time interval in the cron syntax. If, for instance, it runs every minute, it will appear as **********. To disable the job, you have two options. You can either comment it out by adding a hashtag at the beginning of the line. Alternatively, you can remove the line entirely. After making your changes, save the file. If you are using Nano, press Ctrl+O followed by Enter to save. Then press Ctrl+X to exit. For 6, press ESC, type WQ, and then press Enter. To verify your changes, type cron tab L. This command lists all active cron jobs. Make sure the problematic job is no longer visible. If it is still there, repeat the previous steps. Once confirmed, exit the SSH session by typing exit. Your server should now be running more efficiently without the frequent cron job. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.